Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the 300 SL, or else said the Gullwing. We've got a very big stage, but a short one. We're putting the engine and the chassis together, and then we're going to put some chassis parts together in the next video. But let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build. Have a look at that. That looks really nice. Neatly painted. No strange things there. And we've got some QMs here. So let's get these out. And let's see what we do with this. Okay, I'm going to put it like so, and we've got 2 points right there, and that's what we're going to connect the engine to. And I'm happy I fixed that little golden thing, because this isn't going to be easy. That one and that one are going to be connected. And they are going to be put on with QM screws that we had, and we're going to be very careful because that is a very fragile powder. If I turn that around, I'm going to change my screw head to a PH1 because these are very hefty screws. We are going to dip in a bit of oil. Now let's see how we can handle that neatly without doing something wrong. They're connected right there and there. That's one. Then I'm going to push it from this side, as you see me doing right there. Pushing it like this, maybe screwing it in like this, maybe a little bit easier. There we go. Wow, everything is on neat. There we go. As you can see right there, that engine is on that. Oh well, let's do that on the big camera. The engine is right neatly in there, and that is the whole thing put together. It's only 7 minutes recording time, but the others are going to take a lot more time, and hope to see you next time. As you saw, that was a very short one and not a lot to do, but we've put two big parts together, the engine and the chassis, and I'm going to leave it at that. Let's turn this one off for a second. I want to leave it at that because we've got two parts coming that are a little bit harder, I think, but we'll find out if that is so. But please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I put the rest of these parts together, or any of those in the background, or on my channel. I really hope you will join me then. Thank you very much. Bye bye.